Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to know about the rise of Indian Empire. Before we start the video, do subscribe our channel to watch more such videos. Let's get started. Empires rise and fall, but the nation survives. India has survived as a great nation because unity in diversity built over thousands of years has become an inherent feature of our country. One of the most important pillars of this unity is the political unification, the present one being a gift of the British rule. Though the pre-independence British Empire was much larger, but long before the British Empire, India had witnessed great empires at different phases of its history. For example, during the reigns of Ashoka, Samudragupta, Harshavardhana, Akbar, Aurangzeb, etc. But when did the first great Indian empire rise? Friends, during the pre-Christian era, some great civilizations was flourished in India, but they had their geographical and political limitations. Thereafter arose some well-organized and better governed states, but they were very small independent kingdoms. It was only after Alexander's invasion that India saw the growth of its first ever large empire under the adventurous leadership of Chandragupta Maurya. Initially, Chandragupta was the commander-in-chief of the army of Nanda dynasty, who were then ruling South Bihar in eastern India. For some reason or the other, Chandragupta attempted a revolt but was unsuccessful. He fled away and met Alexander the Great, seeking his cooperation. When Alexander left India, putting behind one of his generals in charge, Chandragupta again approached and got the help of this general. He became the ruler of Punjab and Bihar. A great political thinker of those times, Chanakya also helped Chandragupta in his mission, since he too had vowed to settle scores with the Nand dynasty. Thus the seeds of the first great Indian empire were sown in around 321 BC, and the rule of great Mauryan dynasty began. Later he extended his empire from the mouth of the river Ganges in the east to the mountains of Hindu Kush between modern Pakistan and Afghanistan. This was the first real large and powerful centralized state in India. After building empire, Chandragupta concentrated on defense and public administration. He maintained an elaborate spy network and an efficient bureaucracy. Though there was autocratic government at the top, yet democracy prevailed at the village level. Later, Ashoka the Great became the third ruler of this great empire, under whose reign the empire was further extended to the whole of India, except the deep south and southeast. The state progressed and flourished in all fields. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep watching for more. Thank you.